Hello students, this is Rajni here and welcome to my classes. Now today here I explain you how to multiply the integer. So here your first property, a repeated addition. In this property, for example, if we have a whole number, means here we have 5 and repeated this number 4 times. So how can you add this number? Here if you add this number, so this is 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15 and 15 plus 5 is 20. And in another method, here you write the whole number 5 and in how many times this number is repeated, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here we multiply this value by 4. 5 4 is 20 and both the answer is same here. If we have negative integers, means minus 4, then minus 4 and minus 4, and when we added them, means here is plus sign and this is also plus sign. Here I write minus 4 plus minus 4 and plus minus 4. So how can you add this? Here 4 minus 4 plus minus minus here, so this is also minus 4 and plus minus minus, and here this is 4. So all the sign are same, so here we added them. So 4 plus 4 plus 4, this is 8 and 8 plus 4 is 12 and the sign is minus. In next this method, here we have minus 4 and this number is repeated in 3 times, 1, 2 and 3. So here we multiplied this number by 3. Now 4 3 are 12 and the sign is minus here. So the answer is minus 12. Now next example, if we have 4 and multiply this number with negative integers. So here 4 multiplied minus 8, 4 8 are 32 and the sign is here is plus sign and this is negative sign. So plus and minus multiplied is minus here. Again if we have minus 4 and second is minus 8, both the integers are negative here. So here 4 8 are 32 and minus minus plus sign here, so we get plus 32. So here if you multiplied positive integer with negative integer, so the result is minus integer. If we have minus and this sign is multiplied by plus sign, so we get minus sign. Again this is a different sign, and if we have the same sign, means minus minus, so we get plus sign, and if we have plus and plus, then we also get plus sign. Now your first property, commutative property, this is multiplication. This is for multiplication. In this, here if we have two integers, means a and b, so if I write a into b, this is equal to b into a. And for example, if we have 5 and the value of b is 3, so we get 3 multiply 5. Second is multiplication by 0. means a into 0 is equal to 0 into a or 0. So here if we have the value of a is 5 into 0, so we get 0 into 5 or 0. Next is multiplicative identity. Means here you have to multiply any integer by 1. Means a multiply this value by 1. So we get 1 into a or a. If we have the value of a is 7, so we multiplied by this number by 1, so we get 1 into 7 or only 7. Next, minus 5 multiplied 1 is equal to minus 5. Means if we multiplied any integer by identity, so we get the same integers. Now next is associative. For associativity for multiplication. In this property, if we have a multiplied b in bracket and in next multiplied c, so this value is equal to a multiplied in bracket b into c. For example, if we have the value of a is 3 and here the value of b is 2 and multiply the value of c is 3 here. So here the value of a is 3 multiply b is equal to 2 and here 3. 3 2 ja 6 multiplied 3. So we get 18 and here this is 3 multiply 3 2 ja 6. So here we get 18. Both are equal. So this is the associative property. Now next is distributive property. In this property, if we have a multiplied b plus c is equal to, here in this, here a multiplied b, so here a into b, then here plus sign and again this value multiplied by c, so a into c. For example, if we have the value of a is 2 multiplied the value of b is 3 and the value of c is 4 here, so here we get a into b means 2 into 3 plus this is 2 into 4 here. When we solve this side, 2 and 4 plus 3 is 7 here, so we get 14 and in this side here 2 into 3 is 6 plus 4 into 2 is 8 here. Now we added them, so 8 plus 6 is 14 here. So this is distributive property. And next example is here a into b minus c is equal to a into b and minus sign a into c. So here a into c. For example, if we have the value of a is 2, value of b is 4 and the value of c is 3. So here 2 into 4 minus 3 is 1 here, so we get 2. And in this side the value of a is 2 multiplied 4 minus the value of a is 2 and multiply this value by 3. So we get 4 2 ja 8 minus 2 3 ja 6 here. Now we subtract them, so we get 2.